Hello my friends, do you enjoy bananas? Join us on an exciting journey as we explore the captivating realm of banana cultivation. Discover exclusive farming secrets and techniques that not only enrich our gardening experiences, but also transform us into seasoned horticulturalists. First, let's embark on a journey into the agricultural paradise, where patience and passion yield the sweetest bananas. Have you ever wondered how these plants are cultivated? Initially, farmers meticulously separate the saplings sprouting around the mother plant. These saplings must be vigorous and free from disease. Once separated, they're promptly planted and watered regularly to foster root development. Together, we'll explore every marvelous stage of the banana cultivation process. Did you know that trimming the grass on a banana plantation is one of the crucial tasks that can significantly impact the crop's productivity? Grass trimming serves not only to maintain the banana plantation's neat appearance, but also to deter pests and insects. A clean and grass-free ground minimizes potential habitats for pests, thereby lowering the risk of disease infestation. Would you be interested in visiting this farm? If so, please leave number 1 in the comments. Experience the exhilaration of immersing yourself in this lush green environment, and let's celebrate alongside the farmers as their banana trees flourish and bear delicious fruits. The Dizon family's banana farm upholds a professional and meticulous approach to banana production. Their process begins with the careful selection of suitable seedlings, followed by rigorous pest protection measures and precise fertilizer application. To ensure optimal growth, unnecessary saplings are removed, allowing the focus to remain on the high-potential follower plants. Pruning flowers from banana plants is a critical practice that profoundly impacts harvest yield. Executing the flower cutting process accurately and meticulously is essential for ensuring robust banana development. Early flower cutting leads to larger and more flavorful bananas. As it creates favorable conditions for banana growth and efficiently extracts energy from the mother plant. Through each precise flower cutting phase, banana plants enhance their load-bearing capacity and provide better nutrition for subsequent fruit clusters. Bagging the banana bunches helps protect them from insects and unpredictable weather conditions. Now, let's partake in one of the most eagerly awaited moments of the day, the banana harvest. This South American country holds the top spot globally in banana exports. Did you know that Ecuador ships out a staggering 8 million boxes of bananas every week, totaling a whopping 460 million boxes annually? These bananas are sourced from expansive fields spanning over 400 kilometers from the country's southern to northern regions. Harvesting, processing, and transporting bananas from these vast plantations require meticulous and dedicated labor. The banana harvesting process commences with carefully cutting each cluster from the trees and suspending them on hanging cables. Following this, the clusters are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo cleaning and packaging into premium quality banana boxes, primed for export across the globe. What are your thoughts on this remarkable cable car transportation system? We'd love to hear your opinions. Beyond just the fruit, the banana plant's stem offers a plethora of possibilities for creating unique handmade items. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of crafting with banana plant stems and discover the incredible products that can be crafted from this versatile material. The utilization of banana fibers marks a significant stride towards environmental sustainability, while also fostering diversity within industries. Celebrated for their robustness, flexibility, and endurance, these fibers have emerged as invaluable resources for a multitude of applications. The innovative integration of banana fibers has not only unlocked novel avenues, but also fueled the advancement of eco-conscious communities and industries. When woven together, fibers from banana plant stems form a robust and adaptable raw material that finds extensive use across diverse industries. Beyond industrial applications, banana fibers feature prominently in handmade and traditional products. Artisans skillfully fashion these natural fibers into items like bags, rugs, and hats, infusing them with a distinct aesthetic and artistic allure. Do you know what else can be crafted from these banana fibers? You've guessed it, paper! Once the liquid is extracted, the remaining banana stem parts are thoroughly dried and then utilized to create handmade banana paper. This concludes our journey. Are you a fan of snacks? Have you ever tried the delightful crispy fried bananas? At the Plantanillo's factory, precision and delicacy are the name of the game in their production process. Carefully selected bananas undergo thorough cleaning before being sliced into thin, uniform pieces. Then, these slices are fried to a perfect crispiness in precisely heated oil, resulting in shiny golden banana chips that are crunchy and bursting with natural flavor. What sets the Plantanillo's factory apart is their commitment to using no preservatives or artificial colors, ensuring that each bite of crispy fried banana retains the banana's natural goodness and nutrients. Their product truly shines as a delicious and wholesome snack for the entire family. Let's delve further into the lesser-known secrets of cultivating aloe vera. Were you aware that this plant has become a major source of income for numerous countries in Asia? Aloe vera, with its gel extracted from the leaves, is renowned for its multifaceted benefits for the skin. Its moisturizing properties offer relief to dry skin, leaving it soft and supple. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities aid in healing minor wounds. As a hair mask or conditioner, aloe vera rejuvenates the hair, providing hydration and enhancing its natural shine. Particularly noteworthy is its ability to soothe and cool the skin, making it an ideal remedy after exposure to external elements such as UV rays. Farmers diligently aerate the soil to maintain well-ventilated roots and prevent waterlogging, essential for robust banana cultivation. Conversely, aloe vera thrives on consistent and ample watering, ensuring optimal growth and health. Farmers meticulously tend to larger aloe vera plants by removing smaller ones and clearing out wild grass. After approximately 6 months, the aloe vera plants reach maturity and are ready for harvest. In processing facilities, aloe vera branches undergo thorough washing. Workers then perform pre-processing tasks, such as trimming off the heads and tails, to prepare the branches for further extraction. The primary focus is on extracting the gel from the aloe vera, as it's one of the desired final products. If you're interested in learning more about these fascinating crops, please leave a 2 below to let us know.